or may be interested in expanding your emotional
Special regional information.
I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are.
And he was truly the most endearing character of our team. Would anyone like to speak on the Elder?
I knew that hosting a funeral would be a bad idea, especially out here.
Sounded to me like you should be back in Columbus.
Yeah, but it's so high when... Wait, how did you get here? How did... Please, knock first? I have a knocker installed. I'll only knock after you wean my self-defense weapon.
So get rid of the knife? If that's the case.
No.
But why? Because no!
Okay, new plan. And I think it's even better.
Whoopsie daisy. Okay, cool.
This is a song I like to call The World's on Fire. Come on, man. I guess we'll have to do the next best thing. Alright, that's all done. Surely that's it. Is it?
Okay, fair. You win.
Thank you. Now we can get some sleep.
Now you just have to get rid of the ones I have at home.
Now that's easy.
You live at 14 Cambridge Street, Sydney 4536.
Huh?
You.
Thank you for buying this instructional tape on how to disassemble a cabinet. Don't ask how I got it. So what you're gonna want to do is to...
Wait, what are you doing? My life savings are in there. Well, life saving and fidget knives, but all my money went into that. If you destroy it now, I'll have nothing. What am I gonna do now?
Well, I'm sure Mr. Beast's out there somewhere.
Good advice.
Now I can finally rest. Night, night.
Night, night, you high love user.